Hey there, fellow finance enthusiasts. If you're a SoFi user, you know how awesome it is to handle your banking on the go. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the simple process of depositing a check using the SoFi mobile app. Whether you're a busy professional or just someone who prefers tech over trips to the bank, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the SoFi app installed on your smartphone and that you're logged into your account. If you haven't already, download it from your app store. It's free and secure. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. Look for the Deposit or Mobile Check Deposit option, usually found under the Accounts or Transfers tab. Tap on that to get started. Now, before you proceed, grab your check and endorse it by signing the back. This is crucial for the deposit to go through smoothly. Next, the app will prompt you to take photos of your check. Make sure you're in a well-lit area for clear images. Hold your phone steady and align the check within the frame as guided. The app might even have an auto capture feature to help. After snapping the front and back of the check, double-check the details on the preview screen. Ensure everything looks correct, like the amount and your account number. If all good, hit the Submit button. You'll get a confirmation message right away, and the funds should be available in your account within a business day or two, depending on SoFi's processing time. One quick tip. Always keep your original check safe until the deposit is fully processed, just in case. And if you run into any issues, SoFi's customer support is top-notch. Reach out through the app for help. There you have it. Depositing a check with the SoFi app is straightforward, saving you time and effort. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy banking.